DeiC, the Danish E-Infrastructure Corporation, is an organization that is put in place to support research e-infrastructure in Denmark for all of academia and higher education. That means research networking, high performance computing, data management, and we also have a so-called eScience competency center. Our old network, we got that in 2008, so it's a long time ago, and therefore it was time to renew the network and be able to support 100G and more, and also more connections and have a more flexible network. So we were really looking for a network cost-effective and flexible and easy to build out, and we made a procurement around these parameters. Our optical network in 3 to 5 years, I think it's more of the same, you could say. I think we will probably add some kind of MPLS structure on top, although we are using today the optical layer to provide all the point-to-point connections. I don't see that scaling rapidly enough to our needs. So we see a build-out, and therefore also I think we'll supplement the optical layer and become more like other NRENs really. We selected ECI because it fitted our really the parameters or goals in our procurement, cost effectiveness, ease of maintenance, easy to build out, and also with a roadmap that suited our needs. So yeah. One of the things where we are happy about ECI is that we actually see ECI announcing a roadmap and pursuing it. I mean, actually delivering to what they've said. We have had some bad experiences with that in the past, but so far with ECI it's going nicely. For instance, we did not in our original procurement ask for anything about FlexiGrid or channels wider than 50 gigahertz, but then it turns out that now that we may actually need that, ECI has announced that okay, they can support it. So that was just a nice surprise. I would tell them that you should do business with ECI because we have had a good experience by and large. Of course, during an installation process you always run into a few small things, but in general we've had a nice experience with ECI, both in the implementation phase and also here afterwards in the operations phase. ECI as a supplier really gives you the feeling that you are dealing with a peer on the same level as you, responsiveness and so on. And I find that nice and very rare in the IT business. Normally you have big corporations where you cannot actually just take up the phone and call a head sales representative or even people at the production level of the company. You cannot do that, but you actually can with ECI, and that's a huge difference from a lot of the other companies in the IT industry.